So you might be in a situation where for some reason you have some vertical lines on your iPhone display. Now, what does that mean? Well, maybe you open up your iPhone screen and there might be some lines that kind of go through across the display in and of itself. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, if it's a hardware defect, we'll get into that in a second, but the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and just restart your phone. So grab your volume up button and your side button, slide the power off, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Sometimes literally just going through and just, turning off and restarting your phone can end up fixing the problem. And that is kind of exactly where I'd recommend starting off with this type of problem. So go through, try doing that, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And for a lot of people, that might end up doing it for you. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing you might want to try doing is software updating your phone. So go ahead and go into your settings application of your phone, click on General, tap on Software Update, and all you're going to want to do here is to try software updating your phone. This is another thing that could end up fixing the problem for you as well, and chances are this might end up fixing it for you. If it's still not working though, your best bet is to see if it's a hardware defect. You might want to see if there's a lot of visible damage around your phone. Did you recently throw your phone, crack it, anything like that? If you did do that, then the highest chance, highest likelihood is that the phone is probably damaged in some way, and you're going to have to probably send your phone into Apple to have them fix it. So from that side, that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.